Today in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix controller drift PS5. Method 1. Pull out the analog stick, then push it to the side. Now blow on the empty space. Method 2. Now push the analog to up. Now press on that empty space. Do this on both sides. Method 3. Now push down the both analog stick. Push down for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, rotate the analog sticks to clockwise direction. Rotate for about 5 times. Then rotate anti-clockwise for 5 times. Now push down and hold for 30 seconds. By following these steps, you can fix controller drift PS5.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.